Okay na, naka-record na.
Game na game. Babel and Co. is expertise, commitment, quality.
Babel & Co. mission to provide excellent financial and professional services while upholding the highest standards of integrity. Ay, game na ba? And expertise to fulfill our customers' current and potential needs through shared financial performance. To create a culture that promotes growth, development, and accountability by providing opportunities for personal and professional success and building trust among employees, partners, and customers. To build a dynamic, open atmosphere that promotes new thoughts, innovative ideas, and challenge employees to achieve the best possible success levels. To offer healthy balance between work and family life. Vision. Babel and Co. Vision is to be known as one of the leading global accounting and consultancy company that is valued by our customers and business partners as trustworthy consultants. We will build a culture of pride and enthusiasm that enable us to continue to attract and retain the best and best talents who are recognized, honored, and admired for their contributions to this company while also providing a working atmosphere where employees can flourish and excel in this industry. We are recognized from providing creative solutions to complex business problems to our clients and the business community. Firm values. First is client matters. Asan ba yung client matter? Our valued client are the focus of our business. We believe that by maintaining continuous contact and collaboration with our clients, we can establish extremely close relationship with them. Clear communication lines among all team members, including partners, managers, seniors, semi-seniors, associate auditors, and all administrative staff are critical to our professional services firm's operation. Integrity matters. As public accountants, we carry the unsaleable sign of honesty and are supposed to adhere to our good governance code of ethics. Our views should always be impartial and our professional skepticism must remain. We believe that works of great quality are produced with integrity and fairness at a fair price. Teamwork matters. We consider and value the uniqueness of the strength potential of each team member. We work to ensure our team's stability and effectiveness, as well as to balance the efforts of our members in order to achieve our common goal. Open contact and cooperation with the team would result in consistent, long-term results for the entire company. People matters. Like our customers, workers play an essential role in our company's growth. We believe in creating an inclusive atmosphere in which our team members will have equal access to opportunities, encouragement, and knowledge that promotes personal and professional development. We promote employees' welfare by honoring their ideas and fostering confidence within our organization.
Growth strategy. Babelco is a starting accounting firm. Thus, a robust growth strategy will enable them to have an advantage over their competitors. The first growth strategy is to increase market penetration. It is an approach that means selling more products to the same consumer group. In accounting world, the similar concept applies, but in this case, it means offering more services to the same clients. For starting firms like Babel and Co., it is important to educate clients about the full range of services we offer. Thus, this will help us to gain more clients and increase our revenue as well. The second strategy would be to introduce new services. This strategy goes hand in hand with the first one. As we increase our market penetration, we also introduce new services to attract more clients. We will not only offer services such as auditing, bookkeeping, payroll services, forensic accounting, but we will also offer company secretarial services to ensure good corporate governance, efficient management, and adherence to company rules and regulations. Further, business valuation will also be offered to evaluate both opportunities and opportunity costs for the client's company as they prepare for the potential growth and eventual change. The last strategy would be to merge with other accounting firms. Merging will allow us to quickly add new expertise and capabilities, help us gain credibility in new markets, and change balance of power in an existing one. Additionally, it will create an internal succession team for the long-term security for us and the other firms as well. The merger not only add depth to staff and partners, but it also creates opportunities for growth, leading to better opportunities for internal promotion talent. These strategies will help us understand the market we are in, gain trust from our clients, and eventually be a well-established firm in the industry.
Competitive strategy. Today's accounting sector is ruled by increased rivalry, decreasing profit margins, rising capital expenses, and a rise in litigation. In order for the Babel and Co to stand out from the competition is to develop solution-oriented specialized offerings in emerging markets and to establish a reputation as a leader in such niches. The Babel and Co is using a differentiation leadership strategy. The company adheres to this approach to preserve its distinctive characteristic in the industry and thereby providing a differentiating factor. Rana 2018 stated that differentiation is critical in a developed and dynamic market. The better the company is at it, the more likely the company will succeed in the long run. Furthermore, the Babel and Co. professionals will assist its clients in evaluating, structuring, and executing the transactions that they need, regardless of the scale of the client's company, its location, or the industry in which the client operates. Babel and Co. is specialized in delivering transactions expertise at every step of the contract life cycle.
For marketing strategy, we will have digital marketing. Our digital marketing will involve creation of social media accounts and official website. For social media accounts, our team will create an official Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account. Through these social media accounts, our clients will be able to monitor our current offers and milestones. Aside from that, our team will make sure that important announcements will always be posted in all of our social media accounts. For official website, our team will make sure that all important information regarding our services and rates will be included. Aside from that, our website will contain educational information in order to help our clients understand the type of service we are offering. For the direct marketing, our firm's direct marketing will involve distribution of brochures and discount coupons to our potential clients. Aside from that, there will be also direct consultation that is free of charge. In this consultation, services offered, rates, discount offers, and benefits will be thoroughly discussed by our firm's skilled professional in order to directly persuade our potential client to choose our service. And lastly, the sales letter. Our firm will send out sales letter to our potential business partners. Through sales letters, our firm will be able to partner with different businesses that needs accounting services. These sales letters will highlight important information such as company background, accomplishment, and service offered. This sales letter will serve as our stepping stone towards our expansion of business.
Operation strategy. Babel and Co. has rich industry knowledge and experience to assist companies to enhance their business performance, achieving bottom line savings. Its operation strategy integrates firm policies, process, system, and practices into a systematic response to the objectives given, resulting in a coherent and clear response to competitive forces. The following are our operational strategies. As business demands became more complex, it became apparent that professionals with world-class capabilities were required. We initiated a manpower development program with training and scholarships to ensure the continued development of its workforce and to bridge the gap between academia and actual practice. Professionals from our firm performs assurance engagements, maintaining its professional skepticism in recognizing the credibility of information as to whether the business financial reports are fairly presented in accordance with the suitable criteria. We also enable change management, organizational performance design, and human resource optimization. These services help companies achieve and maintain strategy and vision by fostering operational processes and maximizing the benefits of strategic concept and implementation of organizational structure, processes, and capabilities. All through the year, we deploy and implement a multi-touch point and multi-interaction strategy. Our company adheres to the procedures for planning and controlling activities. Working professionals have the necessary knowledge and expertise to turn various IT techniques into value enablers. We also understand how to strike a balance between reliability and effectiveness in defense and collaborate closely with clients to develop efficient but cost-effective logistics systems and processes.
The Babel & Co. Information Technology Strategy emphasizes the creation and implementation of software applications for monitoring and recording financial transactions. Implementation of QuickBooks Online provides accountancy solutions such as tracking cash flows, managing sales or income, tax compliance organization, generating profit and loss reports. Additionally, easier money and inventory management are some of the key factors of the QuickBooks Online. Also, an important feature of this software is their payroll system. QuickBooks will provide our company with an automatic report of payroll deductions and contributions, payroll tax liabilities, and QuickBooks Online is the best software for Babel and Co. since it is affordable, effective, and easy to use for our employees. Paperless accounting systems, employees or clients may connect to the remote server of Babel & Co. and access records, making it easier to email, receive, check, and authorize documents on the go. And utilizing project management software, which is Trello, is a task management and collaboration platform that can be used for a variety of projects of the employees and management. The features of Trello solves the problem of long email threads, wasted meetings, accountability, clarifying projects, forgetfulness, and transparency.
The human resource strategy of Babel and Co. includes the recruitment and retention of qualified employees. In this strategy, Babel and Co. will provide job security to retain its qualified employees. This concept of security gives assurance to the employees that the firm will provide reasonable employee salaries and benefits. Bringing in the Bringing in the employees who add value to the company is one of the priorities of Babel and Co. The company does its utmost best to recruit qualified employees by conducting a structured and fair selection process. In order to ensure that the firm will hire a skilled and valuable employee, Babel and Co. will identify first the motivation of prospective employees, whether they are pursuing a career or simply looking for a job. Next is continuous compliance with changing HR laws. Babel and Co. consults a human expert to review its firm's employment policies and practices and verify that they comply with the latest changes on HR laws. Babel and Co. will invest in professional guidance since it will help the firm to avoid costly penalties and resource draining lawsuits that could damage the company's reputations. Next is establish excellent corporate culture. The Babel and Co fosters an inclusive culture and professional development by respecting the thoughts and experiences of employees. Babel and Co values diversity and equality in the workplace that can help to broaden the extent of experiences and skills of the employees. Babel and Co will create an environment within the workplace that promote transparency, fairness, and anti-discrimination. The next is improve the quality of employees' training and seminars. The Babel & Co. provides meaningful training and development programs so as to encourage employees to work together effectively and efficiently. Lastly, fair and performance-based compensation. The Babel & Co. provides adequate benefits and compensations in order to potentially attract qualified prospective employees, maintain the satisfaction of existing employees, keep quality employees from leaving, and motivate them in the workplace.
For a company to grow, it requires capital. Capital comes in the forms of debt or equity. Babel and Co., being a starting partnership, opts to acquire capital with debt financing. In debt financing, the interest paid on debt is tax deductible, which consequently lowers the cost of debt. Also, the yield on debt that the debt holders require is fixed. Babel and Co. recognizes that using debt financing has its disadvantages. First, because of its fixed interest changes, using debt increases the firm's risk. Second, if Babel and Co. falls on hard times and its operating income is not sufficient to cover interest charges, then the firm may go bankrupt. Babel and Co. is categorized with low business risk and stable operating cash flows. That is why it will take on more debt financing so as to reap the benefits of using debt. Babel and Co. further realizes that when bad times hit, interest on debt financing must be paid no matter what. That is why, in order to meet this fixed obligation, Babel and Co. will become leaner to strengthen its financial position. In times of crisis, high debt consumption can push a company into tight financial position. For that reason, Babel and Co. will strive to get its financial position in order by lowering its working capital and reducing overhead costs. Babel and Co. believes that reduction in debt is necessary in order to reduce any bankruptcy risk that could affect the firm's viability and reputation in the long run. Furthermore, Babel and Co. recognizes that the firm's actual capital structure may change over time for the following reasons. First, if the firm is not able to meet its target, it may deliberately raise new money in a manner that moves the actual structure toward the target. Second, the firm could incur high profits or losses that lead to significant changes. Although the book value of the firm's debt would probably not change, interest rate changes due to changes in general level of rates and or changes in the firm's default risk could cause significant changes in its debt market value. Still, at any given moment, Babel and Co. has a specific target range in mind. Babel and Co. uses midpoint target debt ratio. Now, even if the firm concludes that its debt ratio is below the lower limit and that it could finance its entire capital budget for the year with debt, it will still use a weighted average cost of capital based on the target capital structure when evaluating projects for inclusion in the firm's capital budget. With this, Babel and Co. can gradually move toward its target through an annual financings to support its capital budget. Financial planning is often called value-based management, which means that the effects of various decisions on the firm's financial position and value are studied by simulating their effects within the firm's financial model. Babel and Co's financial plan is a multi-step process. First, assumptions are made about the future levels of sales, costs, interest rates, and so forth for use in the forecast. Second, a set of projected financial statements is developed. Third, projected ratios are calculated and analyzed. Fourth, the entire plan is re-examined, the assumptions are reviewed, and the management considers how additional changes in operations might improve results. This last step requires the reconsideration of all the earlier parts of the overall plan, from the mission statement to the operating plan. Thus, the financial plan ties the entire planning process together. Financial plans generally begin with a sales forecast. Of course, Babel & Co. envisions higher revenue growth, but not at any cost. However, revenue growth cannot occur without a concurrent increase in capacity. That is why Babel & Co. recognizes that revenue growth must be balanced against the cost of achieving that growth.
Babalanko believes that while many companies focus on maximizing a broad range of financial objectives, such as growth, earnings per share, and market share, these goals should not take precedence over the main financial goal, which is to create value for investors. Babalanko keeps in mind that the company's stockholders are not just an abstract group. They represent individuals who have been chosen to invest their hard earned cash into the company and who are looking for a return on their investment in order to meet their long term financial goals. As mentioned above, Babel & Co. recognizes the need for capital structure changes over time as it starts up with debt financing and later on with a mix of equity financing.
Thank you so much.
Yun lang siya. Teka, isi-save ko para